The first word is rice. Rice. For example, come on, let's cook rice. Next, take. Take. For example, I have taken 2 cups of rice. Next, clean. Clean. For example, clean the rice with water. Next, wash. Wash. For example, wash and clean the rice. Next, strain. Strain. For example, strain the rice after washing it.
Friends, after watching the complete video, you must download the PDF for this joint Telegram or WhatsApp channel. Its link is in the description.
Next, keep. Keep. For example, keep the washed rice in a dry vessel. Next, lighter. Lighter. For example, now bring a lighter. Next, spark. Spark. For example, light a spark with the lighter. Next, light the gas. Light the gas. For example, the gas starts burning with the spark. Next, burn. Burn. For example, burn the gas fast. Next, pain. Pain. For example, now we have to put the pan on the gas. Next, pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. For example, we have put the pressure cooker on. Next, half water. Half water. For example, I have put half the water in the pressure cooker. Next, turn on the gas. Turn on the gas. For example, the gas is on and burning. Next, heat. Heat. For example, the water is getting hot. Next, boiling. Boiling. For example, the water has become very hot. Next, whistle of the cooker. Whistle of the cooker. For example, the whistle of the cooker is blowing. Next, steam. Steam. For example, steam is coming out of the cooker. Next, pour. Pour. For example, the rice is inside the cooker. Next, cook. Cook. For example, the rice is cooking now. Next, stir. Stir. For example, stir the rice with a ladle. Next, ladle. Ladle. For example, oh, my hand got burnt with the ladle. Next, check. Check. For example, I was watching TV while cooking rice. Next, cooked. Cooked. For example, looks like the rice is cooked. Next, take off. Take off. For example, let's take the rice off the gas. Next, cloth. Cloth. For example, hold the cooker with a cloth. It is hot. Next, turn off the gas. Turn off the gas. For example, now let's turn off the gas. Next, cooked rice. Cooked rice. For example, look at this cooked rice. Next, wet cooked rice. Wet cooked rice. For example, oh, the rice is cooked wet. Next, serve. Serve. For example, now come, sit down, eat it, serve it.
Friends, please note this and remember that you watch word meaning video regularly. Hence, you subscribe to Vocab.com channel and like this video. Thanks for watching this video.